Alright, so this is a binaural recording. Make sure to use headphones. I am doing a test to see what is in the height speakers when I'm using the AURO Upmixer versus some of the other ones. And so I actually have this Monolith Encore T6 tower, which has some pretty good bass, and I want to see what happens if I set it to large on the AVR and I just only have this hooked up, and I'm gonna use it to upmix various content. So here I have one of my videos that I recorded in my studio space, and so I'll compare this to how it actually sounds in the studio space. So this content here is actually mono content. I'm gonna be using the AURO Upmixer, and let's see what it puts into the height channels.
In this price range, I don't know how anyone's gonna beat this. That's really how I feel about these speakers. You know what? The best place to probably start is just to go from my experience. So,
all right, so you can hear a little bit of the bass from my voice. So right now, let's try the Dolby Upmixer and see what it puts into the high channels. Okay. And now let's try the Neural X Upmixer. Also hardly anything. And let's compare that to what's actually happening. All right, so here's the experiment. I'm here in my studio. I'm playing back the same exact video. I'm playing it on the speaker approximately where I would normally sit, but then I'm gonna stand up high so my ears are where height speakers would typically be. And let's see how that sounds compared to what AURO tried to do with the upmix.
Take that off, and then first thing I see is this top part. So budget speaker, and I see this like glossy finish. You can see there's the top, there's the side, and then the bottom is also glossy. First thing to know is that it is
in this price range. I don't know how anyone's gonna beat this. That's really how I feel about these speakers. You know what? The best place to probably start is just to go from my experience. So
it's not a small bookshelf speaker. Probably one of the larger bookshelf speakers that I've reviewed has some.
So when we're talking about creator's intent, I am the creator at this point, and I would say that AURO did a better job upmixing it and making it sound more similar to what's actually happening in my room up high in the heights, right? So yeah, now you know I'm a fan.